Hey, welcome to Paddle and Hike. Today I'm hiking Flatbreads Summit in Montcalm, Quebec. Let's go. So there's a small parking on the side of the road like this. I don't have much time today, and this one was not too far from home, and it's a short one. So let's go and check it out. There was just another car, so I think I'll be pretty much alone on this trail. This trail is also close to Mount La Rose, which I came a couple years ago. I'll put the video linked at the end of this video if you want to see it. A bread oven. Well, there's a privy. There was a big storm yesterday and the bugs are out big time. So, whew. And there's a lake right here. Started from here. That was the little cabin here. Now we're here and we're going over there. So there was a little side trail to go to the lake. So let's go and check the lake. The lake trail is not well maintained. I'm pretty sure I'm the only one who took it this year. Well, I'm following the lake, but I never seem to get to the lake. I'm always heading further from the lake. So I'm gonna head back. I don't see the point. I'm not going towards the lake at all. So let's go back and go up the mountain. So I took a small side trail pretty much at the beginning of this trail, and I just went to check the lake. But this is not a regular trail. Little shelter if it rains. This trail is free. You can donate, there's a box if you want to, but other than that, it's free. If you enjoy videos like this and you want to help support my channel, please leave a like and a comment. These two things are free, takes 2 seconds, and will help me a lot. Thank you. Today is dead calm. I haven't seen any birds, any squirrels, nothing except bugs. If you're using Gaia apps, don't follow the trail on Gaia. It doesn't work. Just follow the trail like it is. It's easy to follow. It's just not based on the one I have on my map. I'm completely off trail. There's the platform, the observatory, whatever you call it. Well, because of the tree, the view is not the best, but you still have a view. But I was able to fly the drone, so you got to see a lot more around here. So that's it for this one. So now I'm heading back to my car. So I hope you enjoyed that video, and if you want to see the video of Mount La Rose, which I hiked a couple years ago, here it is.